Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you what you have to do if you set a password for your device. You just wanted to secure it and you forgot it. What you have to do in this situation is to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it completely turns off, you have to proceed by holding down combination power key and volume down for a couple of seconds. The menu will appear. Here you have to use volume keys to navigate to option recovery mode, and then you have to select it with power key. When you see this Android robot and no command message on screen, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up key once to proceed. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate to the 6th option, wipe data factory reset, and then select it with power key. And next you have to confirm it by selecting option factory data reset. After you see here in the left bottom corner of the screen the message data wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your phone. It will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.